In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build You Own I tools in Relevance AI. Let's get started by opening Relevance AI in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can access the workspace features. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the area dedicated to building and managing automations and assistants. From there, click on Tools. This is the central place where your AI tools live. Think of tools as reusable building blocks. Each one bundles a clear purpose, inputs, logic, and outputs so you can run it consistently or share it with teammates. Next, select Create Your First Tool. This opens a guided setup flow that keeps things simple and structured, so you don't have to figure everything out at once. You'll be able to define the basics first and then expand into the workflow. You'll now choose the tool type. Pick the category that best matches what you want your tool to do, whether that's analyzing content, transforming data, assisting with writing, or orchestrating multi-step logic. If you're unsure, choose the option that most closely aligns with your outcome. You can refine the configuration afterward. Now it's time to name and describe your tool. Clear naming helps you and others find and understand it later. For example, you could name it Interview Answer Evaluator and describe it as scores interview answers based on clarity, relevance, and experience. A strong description tells users what inputs are expected, what the tool returns, and when to use it. Aim for a short, action-oriented explanation that sets accurate expectations. With the basics in place, add steps or select tool steps. You can build from scratch or pick from available steps to speed things up. Define your inputs first, what the tool should receive. Then add the processing steps that do the work, and finally shape the output so it's easy to read or pass to the next system. Keep your first version simple. Start with a minimal path that works end to end, then iterate. Use concise instructions inside each step, and add examples and prompts or templates when helpful to guide consistent results. When you're happy with the setup, save and publish tool. Saving captures your progress. Publishing makes it available for use according to your workspace's sharing settings. Double-check the title, description, and any required inputs so users can run it without confusion. And that's it. You've created a structured AI tool in Relevance AI. From accessing the tools area to naming, configuring steps, and publishing. Keep iterating, keep versions labeled clearly, and build a small library of reliable tools you can reuse across your projects.